Hello, my name is Artem and I'm a documentary filmmaker. Today I'm gonna review HTML5 Video Editor. It's version 2, it's upgraded and it has some new features that we're gonna overview today. So now let's go to the editor. Now we are in a Projects tab, so you can see the projects that I used to work on. And here is the editor tab, so I will just click one of the projects with a clean timeline and we will work here. I will show you the basic workflow and we will go through the list of the new features and functions. First of all, we need to add some footages on the timeline. In that case, we can just drag and drop it. Just like that. Or we can click the plus icon on the right top corner of the clips. Just like this. And then we will have those clips on our timeline. I use the clips from my recent shootings in Nepal. I work on this movie right now, so we will use them as a reference. Okay, let's start with the first feature. It's called Multiselection and it's very intuitive. And it just means that you can drag and choose few clips on the timeline and then move it as a whole. It's very handy when you have huge projects with a lot of assets and you need to, like move big chunks of that. So this multi-selection tool is very handy in that case. Yeah, you can move it around. Or even you can use function as like delete function for the few assets when you select them. It's just like that. It's just here in the menu tab. Yeah, so this is hotkeys settings. Here you see the full list of available hotkeys to use in the editor. It's like just all the functions, zoom in, deleting, adding, undo, redo, all the stuff. You can use the pre-programmed buttons or you can assign your own. Just click on any of the setting and put your own, what you wish to use. Then you can simply save it as a preset. So you will have the custom presets, maybe for different projects or maybe for different editors working on the same project. For the next function, we need to find it in the hotkeys because there is no button. We're going to use a hotkey. The feature called ripple delete and ripple trim, and it's really handy and cool when you work on your project. So ripple trim and ripple delete, it's automatically adjust everything else on the timeline to maintain the flow. We have 3 programmed hotkeys for the ripple functions. We have T for ripple delete, we have Q for ripple trim previous, and W for ripple trim next. So just keep in mind T, Q, and W. Okay, we go back to the our timeline and let's see how these functions work. If we use the simple delete, for example, I will just cut and delete. All the clips are in the same place. so you see the empty space is bigger. For the ripple delete, you will have all the other clips moving. Okay, so let's go back. So this was the Q button, and then we have W. It's doing the same thing, but from the other part of the clip. And then we have T. T is deleting. Now I have this. I will select this clip and I will click T. And you see the clip is deleted and it's like shrinked the empty space on the timeline. Comparing to simple deleting, I will click the same clip, so it's not shrinked. Okay. The next feature is support for HLS links. It's great when you work with live streamed content. We could import a link. I will show you how it works. Here in the import, you choose URL input, and then we put our link in this field and click import. Okay, now we see it's loading. Yeah, and it's already on in our media, and you can use it on your timeline as a simple clip. So it's here. This is not a basic feature. Maybe it's not necessary for the basic editing. For sure, it's not helped me to work on my project. So I will just delete it. Yeah, and we have this link already imported, this content here in our media browser. Let's move next. The next feature is brand customization. You can tweak almost everything, the colors, the names that appear in the page of the editor. It's really cool if you want to implement this editor to your own platform for your business or for your needs. I will show you how to use that. We just go there. We go to customize editor, and here we have these options. We have a company name. You can change it for whatever you want. Then you have the editor name that is appear over here. Also, you can change it, type whatever you want. Then you can upload your logo, or even to click to not display the logo. Yeah, here is without logo, and here is back with the logo. And you can upload your own logo, for example. Yes, I have some. I can upload my logo just like that, and it will appear over here. You can choose dark theme or light one. Now you can choose your own colors. The next feature called trim edges. You just click on the clip and drag the edge to adjust it. And the next one, and you simply drag it to adjust the length. This is it. The next feature is really cool. It's called Chroma key, and probably you know what it means. If not, then we will see it's in live. So, for example, we want to put this clip as a top layer on our footages. We just need to put it on the top layer. Okay, then we click on this clip, and here we have the Chroma key option. So when we click to enable the Chroma key, then you see instead of that color we see the layer that is on the bottom of the timeline. Let's adjust it like this. Okay, so we want it to appear like it's on a screen, on an outdoor screen on some street of in some city. So to adjust it, we enabled the Chroma key on the top layer, and then I click the clip that is below that, and we can change the size. We can just simply drag the corners. Yeah, so it will fit that screen and it will look more natural. Let's make it like that. Okay, and then let's see how it looks on the timeline. So it looks just like that. Really cool feature. We can use it in many ways for different tasks and for different projects. The next really cool feature is the integration of the stock libraries. When we go to the images, we see these native images here. We don't use that. We click here and choose Pexels or Unsplash. Those are the libraries that allow you to use for free different kind of pictures. Let's choose Unsplash, and for example, let's imagine we look for something with the clouds. We'll just type it here, and it search inside of the agency. And for example, we want to use some of these images. Yeah, mountains are really cool. Yeah, it's even more. You can go, and it's a huge collection. Okay, let's use this one. I'll just click, and it will add it to the timeline. So, for example, I want to use it as a part of my video, and it will be just like that. Yeah, so this is it. For example, I want to put some title on top of that. Let's go to the text. Let's use it on top of this. Yeah. Let's call it the end. You have different options to choose from. Adjust the size and some different features like shadow. Yeah. And just imagine it will be the ending titles of this movie, so it will be just like that. And we use this picture from the Unsplash library in that case. It works same with the other agency. It's called Pexels, if I spell it correctly, and it's same. You can choose from many options. Wow, some really cool, beautiful stuff that is free to use. So you can use it as a kind of slides or some clips in between of your videos. You can use it as overlay or whatever you need. The next really cool feature called voiceover. We can use it to make a narrative voice for our videos. Yeah, I will make them a little bit bigger. So for that we just click voiceover, then we have these options here. You can use whatever you're using, for example just built-in microphone. Then you have auto adjusting function, that is somehow smart function to adjust the level of the sound, or you can use it, you can just drag, yeah, if not that after adjusting, then you can drag the slider to adjust the volume, or just keep auto adjusting. You have a test mic function, then you have few more functions to use. Okay, let's see how it works. I will just click start recording. There is nice countdown. Yes, and now it's recording my voice. You can see it's here on the bottom level below my clips. So I will record some more seconds of my voice. 1, 2, 3. This is a nice story that I shot in Nepal. You see these beautiful candles, and another shot will be a lady lighting the candles. Okay, let's click stop. It's saving now. You will see all your voiceovers over here as a separate files. You can delete it or you can retake it. You see how many seconds it took. So yeah, we have it here. Okay, I will enable the sound and we'll see how it works. Okay. Yes, and now it's recording my voice. You can see it's here on the bottom level below. Yeah, so it works just like that. You can move it as other clips on the timeline. You can just trim it like that by sliding the edge, or you can cut it with the cut button to split it for different pieces, or you can simply delete it. Yeah, don't worry, if you delete it from the timeline, you still have it in your media browser. This is it, and you can add it again and put it whatever you want to put it. So that was a voiceover function. And the other function is HEVC file support. I have one file here. It's HEVC codec that is a little bit more compressed, and it's great because it's saving the quality with the less size of the file. So we just click on that file and just drop it on the timeline. Yeah, and you will see it's already over here and it's playing just as a normal file. So it's the same, just regular playback for each HEVC compressed video files. So you can use it in a project easily with other types of media. In the end, I would say HTML5 Video Editor is a powerful tool for everyone, from beginners to professionals. Features like HLS and MXF support, chroma key effects and customizable hotkeys make it flexible and easy to use. Plus, you can choose to edit online or with the desktop version for even faster workflows. It's a great choice for modern video editing, whether you're working on social media content or professional projects. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you will enjoy using the video editor. Bye.